Hello everyone. Today our topic is real numbers. So in real numbers, first we have natural numbers. Natural numbers are the counting numbers. Counting numbers means which you use for counting purposes. Like suppose if I ask you how many books you have, so you will say two books, three books. So that means one, two, three, four, five, and dot dot dot. Infinite numbers. So natural numbers are the counting numbers. Then we have whole numbers. Whole numbers mean if you include zero in your natural number set, you have whole number. So whole number means it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, dot dot dot. Okay, so in natural number, you do not include the zero because we don't use zero for counting purpose. Like if I ask you how many red color dress you have, and if you have no red color dress, so you will not see zero. Okay, so we don't use zero as our counting numbers. So zero is not included in the natural number. Okay, next we have integers. Integers means here we include the negative numbers. Negative integers, I should say. Negative integer, you have 1, 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So integer means you include the negative numbers and 0 and all the positive numbers. So that means in the whole number set, if you just include the negative integers, you get a complete integer set. Then we have rational numbers. So rational numbers are basically any numbers which you can write in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Means the denominator cannot be a 0 because we know that anything divided by 0 is undefined. So you can't have the denominator 0. So any number which you can write in the form of p by q means in the form of some numerator and denominator. Then you can call it a rational number. Suppose if we consider the natural numbers. See the natural numbers, if you take 2. So 2 you can write in the form of 2 by 1. So that means 2 by 1 means it's a rational number. If you take a whole number, suppose 0, 0 also, you can write it as 0 by 1. It is nothing in the denominator means 1. So whole number is also included in the rational number set. An integer that is also included in rational number. So any negative number, if you take negative 2. Negative 2 means negative 2 by 1. That is also included in our rational number. So if you include natural, whole, integers along with the decimal number. Okay, please note one thing. Not all decimal numbers are rational numbers. So what kind of decimal numbers we need here? We need the terminating decimal number. Terminating decimal number means where you get the remainder 0 when you bring a decimal, and recurring decimal number that is also included in rational number. We will discuss more about terminating and recurring decimal number in our next video. Okay. After this rational number, we have another set of number that is also included in our real number, which is called as irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are any numbers which you cannot write in the form of p by q. Okay, like if you take root over 10, you get something which is not converted as p by q form. Okay, so we cannot consider this root 10 as a rational number. So all these numbers together give us real number. Natural, then you include a 0 to the natural, you get a whole number. Then you include the negative integers to the whole number, you get a complete integer set. Then you include the terminating recurring decimal number into the rational number set, and then irrational number, they together make a real number set. In the next video, we are going to discuss about terminating recurring decimal number, how to identify rational and irrational decimal number. Thank you.